Amazon keeps dropping gadgets that look fake until you see what they actually do. In this video, we're counting down 27 brand new releases that solve real problems, save time, and make everyday life feel a little more futuristic. And trust me, a few of these are so clever, you'll wonder why nobody made them sooner. Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1 Wayfarer. Ray-Ban Meta glasses are one of the coolest wearable gadgets you can buy right now because they blend smart features into a design that still looks like classic everyday eyewear. They come with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5-mic system, and open-ear speakers, so you can capture photos and videos,
exactly why I've started using an AI note taker to handle the heavy lifting for me.
Built-in Meta AI adds even more convenience on the go. It's a great gadget for creators, travelers, and anyone who wants hands-free tech in a stylish form. MetaQuest 3S 128GB. The MetaQuest 3S is a fantastic gadget for anyone who wants immersive entertainment without needing a full gaming setup. It blends mixed reality and VR, letting you explore games, apps, and experiences in a much more interactive way. You can even open multiple screens at once for browsing, watching videos, or messaging friends while still seeing your room around you. It also turns any space into a personal theater with a giant virtual display. With stronger graphics and wireless freedom, this headset makes gaming, media, and fitness feel far more exciting. XREAL Air 2 Pro AR Glasses. The XREAL Air 2 Pro AR glasses are a smart pick for people who want a huge screen experience without carrying a bulky monitor. They feature Sony Micro OLED panels, a 46-degree field of view, and a 120 Hz refresh rate, giving you smooth, sharp visuals that feel impressive for such a lightweight device. The 3 adjustable dimming levels help you use them in different lighting conditions, while directional audio keeps the experience more private. Add the comfort-focused design and broad device compatibility, and you get a sleek gadget that feels futuristic but genuinely useful. Insta360X4 8K Waterproof 360 Action Camera. The Insta360X4 is an amazing gadget for content creators, travelers, and anyone who wants more freedom when shooting video. It records in 8K 360 degrees, so you can capture everything around you and choose the best angle later. It also offers 4K wide-angle video, strong stabilization, removable lens guards, AI editing tools, and the popular invisible selfie stick effect that makes footage look incredibly clean. With up to 135 minutes of battery life and a waterproof design, it's built for real adventures. This is the kind of gadget that makes every shot look more cinematic. DJI Neo 2. The DJI Neo 2 is a great gadget for beginners and casual creators who want an easy way to capture aerial footage. It's lightweight, foldable, and designed to get you in the air fast with palm takeoff and landing. Gesture control and active track to keep your subject in frame. The 4K camera gives you crisp, detailed footage, while omnidirectional obstacle sensing adds extra confidence during flight. Because it feels approachable and packed with smart automation, it's the kind of drone that makes aerial video feel simple instead of intimidating. That makes it especially appealing for everyday content. DJI RS4 Mini Combo. The DJI RS4 Mini Combo is an excellent gadget for creators who want smoother, more professional-looking footage without carrying a huge rig. It supports cameras and even some phones, with a payload up to 2 kilograms, making it flexible for many shooting setups. Auto-axis locks help speed up setup, while intelligent tracking and responsive follow mode make motion shots look cleaner and more controlled. It also switches from horizontal to vertical quickly, which is perfect for social media content. Add the briefcase handle and you get a compact filmmaking tool that feels seriously practical. HOVERAir X1. Drone with camera. The HOVERAir X1 is a fun and highly practical gadget for people who want drone-style shots without dealing with complicated controls. It weighs just 125 grams, folds down small, and can take off straight from your palm with a single click. Its intelligent follow mode tracks your movement, making it great for biking, hiking, skating, and other outdoor activities. You also get pre-programmed flight paths, app-based live preview, and stabilized HDR video capture. Because it's so simple to carry and use, this gadget feels perfect for spontaneous content creation and everyday adventures. PLAUD Note Pro AI Voice Recorder. The PLAUD Note Pro is a seriously useful gadget for students, professionals, and anyone who deals with meetings, calls, or lectures. It doesn't just record audio, it also transcribes and summarizes with AI, supports 112 languages, and creates structured notes using templates designed for different roles and industries. The slim design and instant view display make it feel modern and portable, while app control adds convenience. One of the best things about it is how it turns long conversations into actionable information fast. That makes it more than a recorder. It's a productivity gadget that saves real time. ASUS ZenScreen Duo OLED Foldable Portable Monitor. The ASUS ZenScreen Duo OLED is a standout gadget for anyone who works on the go and wants far more screen space without carrying a bulky setup. It uses dual 14-inch OLED panels with 1920 by 1200 resolution to create a much larger 21-inch workspace, which is great for multitasking. The color quality is also impressive, with 100% DCI-P3 coverage, strong accuracy, and Display HDR 400 True Black support. A 360-degree hinge, tripod mount, kickstand, and auto rotation make it flexible in different setups. It's a premium productivity gadget with real wow factor. UGREEN Revodok USB-C Hub Video Adapter. The UGREEN Revodok USB-C Hub is a compact gadget that solves a very real problem for modern laptops and tablets. Not enough ports. It gives you 4K at 60 Hz video output for a monitor, projector, or even AR glasses, which makes it much more than a basic adapter. On top of that, you get 4 high-speed ports with 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C connections, running up to 10 Gbps plus 100 W power delivery pass-through. That means you can charge, transfer files, and connect accessories all at once. It's a small gadget that adds a lot of everyday convenience. Anker MagGo 3-in-1 Charging Station. The Anker MagGo 3-in-1 Charging Station is the kind of gadget that makes your desk or travel setup feel instantly cleaner and smarter. It's designed to charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods in one compact foldable unit, so you don't need multiple chargers and tangled cables everywhere. Qi 2 certified 15W wireless charging helps deliver fast power, and its MagSafe compatible design keeps your phone aligned properly while charging. Because it folds down into a lightweight, travel-friendly shape, it works just as well in a backpack as it does on a nightstand. It's simple, sleek, and genuinely useful. Anker Prime 27,650 mAh power bank. The Anker Prime 27,650 mAh power bank is a powerhouse gadget built for people who carry multiple devices and hate running low on battery. With up to 250 watt total output across 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, it's designed for serious charging performance, including laptops, phones, and other gear. The included charging base makes topping it up more convenient, while the Smart app adds features like live charging stats and even location help with sound alerts. For travel, remote work, or long days away from an outlet, this is the kind of gadget that feels incredibly dependable. DEWALT Wearable Bluetooth Speaker. The DEWALT Wearable Bluetooth Speaker is a smart gadget for people who want music and calls without wearing headphones all day. Its clip-on design makes it easy to attach to your clothing or gear, and the updated version keeps the body compact while still delivering strong sound for its size. It's water-resistant, non-magnetic, and includes a built-in mic for hands-free calling, which makes it especially handy on job sites, during workouts, or while doing chores. This is a good gadget because it adds convenience without getting in your way, and that makes it easy to use every day. RK-Royal KLUDGE SS98 Mechanical Keyboard. The RK-Royal KLUDGE SS98 is a great gadget for keyboard fans who want more than just a basic typing tool. It combines a 96% layout with a smart display and control knob, giving it a modern look while still keeping the setup compact and functional. You can connect through Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, or USB-C, which makes it flexible for work and gaming. It's also hot swappable, so customizing the switches is much easier. With RGB lighting, software support, and that creamy typing feel many people love, this gadget delivers both style and substance. KeySmart SmartCard Lite Wallet Tracker Card. The KeySmart SmartCard Lite is an excellent gadget for anyone who constantly worries about losing a wallet, badge, or luggage tag. It's less than 2 mm thick, so it slips into tight spaces easily without adding bulk. It works with Apple's Find My app, letting you play a sound nearby or locate your item through the wider Find My network. The battery lasts up to 2 years, and it can even send alerts if you leave it behind. With strong waterproof protection too, this is a simple but very practical gadget for everyday peace of mind. Fanttik X9 X 4 X Portable Tire Inflator. The Fanttik X9 X 4X is a super practical gadget for people who want one compact tool that can handle far more than just car tires. It works as an all-in-one inflator and deflator for paddleboards, cars, motorcycles, kayaks, tents, and other outdoor gear, which makes it especially useful for travel and weekend adventures. Its dual pump system delivers much faster inflation, while the auto-off function helps prevent overfilling. Add in the built-in light and power bank features, and this becomes the kind of gadget that earns its spot in your trunk or camping kit. Beatbot AquaSense 2 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Beatbot AquaSense 2 is a smart gadget that makes pool cleaning feel far less like a chore. It's designed to clean the floor, walls, and waterline, giving you more complete coverage than many basic pool robots. One of its standout features is double-pass waterline scrubbing, which helps tackle grime and build up more thoroughly. It also uses smart surface parking, so it comes up where it's easier to retrieve, and the app lets you call it back when needed. For pool owners, this is a convenient gadget that saves both effort and time. GTPLAYER Electric Standing Desk with Drawers 48 by 24. The GTPLAYER Electric Standing Desk is a great gadget for anyone trying to upgrade a home office or gaming setup without sacrificing features. It adjusts smoothly from sitting to standing height, has a quiet motor, and includes 3 memory presets so you can switch positions quickly. The sturdy frame supports plenty of weight, while the built-in drawer, shelves, hooks, and monitor stand help keep your workspace organized. It also adds power outlets and RGB lighting, which make it feel a little more modern and versatile. This is a good gadget because it mixes comfort, storage, and convenience in one setup. NEBULA Capsule 3 GTV Portable Mini Projector. The NEBULA Capsule 3 GTV is an excellent gadget for anyone who wants big screen entertainment in a surprisingly small package. It delivers native 1080p resolution, supports a display up to 120 inches, and comes with Google TV plus officially licensed Netflix built in, so streaming is simple right out of the box. The 2.5-hour battery and ultra-portable design make it easy to move from room to room or take outdoors for movie nights. With Dolby Digital and auto image adjustment features, it feels polished and easy to use. It's a fun gadget that turns almost any space into a mini theater. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2 14 ounce. The Ember Mug 2 is one of those gadgets that seems simple at first, but quickly becomes something you use every day. Instead of letting your coffee or tea go cold, it keeps your drink at the temperature you choose, from 120 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. It offers up to 80 minutes of battery life on its own, or all-day warmth when sitting on the charging coaster. You can control it through the app or just use it standalone, and the smart sensors wake and sleep automatically. It's a great gadget because it adds comfort in such an effortless way. SwitchBot 2025 Automatic Curtain Opener 3-Rod. The SwitchBot Curtain 3 is a smart home gadget that adds a lot of convenience without requiring a complicated setup. It attaches to your existing curtain rod with no tools or drilling, making installation quick and easy. The 2025 version features a stronger motor for handling heavier curtains, more precise control, and improved movement over small bumps in the rod. It also offers a quiet mode for softer operation, which is especially nice in bedrooms. When paired with the right hub, it works with Alexa, Google Home, and HomeKit, making this a genuinely useful gadget for smarter everyday living. Assistive Technology Services Glasshouse Vive 1 4. The Glasshouse Vive 1 4 is one of the most meaningful gadgets on this list because it focuses on accessibility in a really smart way. Worn like a pair of glasses, it lets you control a mouse pointer through head movement and connects by Bluetooth to phones, tablets, computers, and smart TVs. It tracks even very small movements, making hands-free control much more practical for people with restricted mobility or anyone who needs an alternative input method. The newer version also improves sensitivity and battery life. This is a great gadget because it can make everyday technology much easier to use. Gear Telescope. The Gear Telescope is a fun gadget for beginners who want an easy way to get into astronomy without buying something overly complicated. It features a 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length, along with fully coated optics that help deliver clearer, brighter views of the moon, stars, and other celestial objects. It also comes with replaceable eyepieces, a 3x Barlow lens, and a finder scope to make spotting objects easier. The included phone adapter, wireless remote, tripod, and carry bag make it even more practical. It's a good gadget because it makes stargazing approachable and portable. Thermacell Patio Shield Mosquito Repellent E-Series Rechargeable Repeller. The Thermacell Patio Shield E-Series is a handy outdoor gadget for anyone who wants to enjoy fresh air without constantly fighting mosquitoes. It creates a protection zone of up to 20 feet and reaches full effectiveness in around 15 minutes, making it great for patios, backyards, and camping trips. Unlike sprays or lotions, it works in the air instead of on your skin, and it does it without smoke, flames, or strong scent. The rechargeable battery and replaceable refill system keep things simple. It's a great gadget because it makes outdoor time more comfortable with almost no hassle. Amband M1 Sport Case Band for Apple Watch Ultra. The Amband M1 Sport Case Band is a rugged gadget accessory that adds both style and protection to your Apple Watch. Its raised bezel helps guard the screen from bumps and everyday scratches, while the TPU band and metal accents give it a tough, tactical look without making it uncomfortable to wear. The buttons stay clicky, the cutouts are precise, and the strap is adjustable for a secure fit. It's the kind of accessory that makes your smartwatch feel more ready for daily wear, travel, or workouts. That makes it a very practical gadget upgrade. Lithely Frozen Pack Wild 12 Volt Car Refrigerator. The Lithely Frozen Pack Wild is a very useful gadget for road trips, camping, and outdoor adventures where keeping food and drinks cold really matters. This portable electric cooler offers a 20-liter capacity in a compact design that's much easier to carry than a full-size cooler. It can cool quickly, dropping from 77 degrees to 32 degrees in about 15 minutes, and it works across a wide temperature range from fridge to freezer levels. That flexibility makes it great for drinks, snacks, or frozen items. It's a smart gadget because it adds real convenience when you're away from home. Pop-up Countertop Outlet. This pop-up countertop outlet is a smart gadget for kitchens, desks, and workstations where power access is always in demand, but clutter looks messy. With a simple push, it rises up to reveal multiple charging options, including 4 AC outlets, a USB-C port, a USB-A port, and a 15-watt wireless charging pad on top. That means it can power several devices at once while still keeping your space looking clean when not in use. The recessed design helps it stay hidden until needed, which makes it especially practical. It's a great gadget for modern spaces that need cleaner cable management. That wraps up our countdown of 27 new Amazon gadgets that are actually worth checking out. From smart everyday upgrades to futuristic tech you didn't know you needed, these picks prove Amazon is full of surprises. Let us know in the comments section which gadget was your favorite or which one you'd actually buy. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so you never miss the next roundup of amazing finds.